AIRS Ethiopian project through the President's Malaria Initiative, PMI, supports the implementation of indoor residual spraying with the overall goal of reducing malaria burden. The project is currently operating in 44 districts, protecting about 1.6 million people from the disease.
While safeguarding people from malaria, the project has a strong commitment to ensure safety to the environment. With this understanding, PMI AIRS Ethiopia has searched the way to manage the bulk insecticide packing bottle of Actelic and identified recyclers that change the bottle to a material which has no contact with consumables. PMI AIRS Ethiopia project has tirelessly been working towards a safer and greener way of disposing insecticide bottles. We formed a synergy between two companies to generate a more sustainable and environmentally friendly economic partnership that has a great benefit for the economy and the environment. We believe this is a kind of initiative that creates a ripple effect in society's outlook towards a greener economy and how generally businesses can benefit the country's environmental health.
Although we try to decontaminate the bottles through the triple rinsing procedure at the district level, we also practice extra safety precautions throughout the recycling process.
Adequate safety precautions with personal protective equipment was maintained for the workers throughout the recycling process. They proceed to safely load the bottles from the central warehouse to the truck. When the truck arrives at the recycling plant, the employees offload the cartons filled with bottles sent from the central warehouse. The staff continue to properly remove the bottles from the cartons, and then they carefully peel off the labels. The next step is flattening and arranging of the cartons appropriately, which is then transferred to other paper recyclers, further improving our contribution to the environment. Consequently, about 10 tons of cartons are being recycled every year. After bottle labels have been peeled off, the bottles are fed into the chopping machine manually. Following the chopping of the bottles, the washing process starts. This is done by 3 washing machines, giving a triple cleaning process. The materials are further cleaned by boil washing. Safe disposal of the effluent is ensured by the specially constructed soak pits. The clean chopped bottle material then goes through a drying process, followed by a collection of the material in bags that are secured properly and transferred to the Conduit manufacturing section. The Conduit manufacturing starts with granulating the chopped bottle products. Some more raw materials, like primers, are then added to the mix to achieve consistency, quality, and color in order to proceed with the conduit production. The granules are then fed into the conduit molding cage, which gives the mix the black conduit appearance and produces the ultimate product through a cooling process as the conduit passes through the water tank. The process ends by the cutting of the conduit to a proper length by a diligent production staff. The factory currently produces 3-meter-long conduits with 16 and 18 millimeters diameters for the domestic market. This strong partnership between PMI AIRS Ethiopia project and the Conduit Manufacturing Company has successfully reached its 3rd year. The factory has received much-needed raw materials without charge, and PMI AIRS Ethiopia project has ensured an environmentally friendly and sound OP bottle disposal mechanism through this great partnership.
In collaboration with our private recycling partners, every year more than 30 tons of plastic bottles that would have been a burden for the environment were recycled into electric cable transferring conduit.